Did you know the US government secretly studied its own embassy workers like lab rats, while a foreign power quietly cooked them with radiation? Starting in the early 1950s, the Soviet Union aimed low-level microwave beams directly at the American embassy in Moscow. When US officials discovered it, they didn't tell the people inside. They classified it under Project Pandora and started running secret health studies on the staff and their families without anyone's knowledge or consent. They weren't trying to protect them. They were watching to see what happened. Nobody ever fully agreed on what the signal was for. A surveillance device, a weapon, a test. The Soviets never answered, and the American government never stopped the exposure long enough to find out. They just kept watching. Their own people, quietly, from the outside.